Hello, Instagrammers. Wish you all a very happy Sunday. Welcome to Chitter Chatter. I know it's a Sunday and a relaxing day. But before you drive into a busy weekend, we thought let's have a little chit chat all about uncomplicating fitness. Yes, fitness is something which is as complicated and as broad as a subject as universe because there's so many myths, there's so many things we want to know. I'm sure this one live session cannot solve it all, but we thought let's uncomplicate fitness a little with Shraddha Bawalkar, the CEO of Get Set Go Fitness, and learn the art of before, after, and forever approach with her. Hi Melvin Shaji, hello Milvesh, hello B2B Greater. And I have to tell all you followers, thank you for joining our Chitter Chatter always. It's so much fun to come live just because of you all, because you all are so loving and the way you all send questions the moment the creative is up motivates me to have a lot more chit chat with different people from different fields of life. Hi Sahil Kumar. Hello Janani. JJANI60. Hello. Camino_Nitu. Hello. Hello, cute boy. And let's see if from Go Get Set Go Fit is here. Shraddha. Let's send her a request. Dipendra Singh Bagal. Hello. And I am getting this lovely heart emoticon. Hello. Hi.
Hi, Shweta.
How have you been? All ready for chit chat?
Yes, I'm so excited. This is my favorite thing to speak about.
We have seen the passion and the way the transformations have happened in the past few years, and that's why we wanted to have this chit chat on a Sunday with you because so many myths and there's so much to know when it comes to fitness.
Yeah.
So let's get started with some chit.
Thank you for having me here. And I'm very sure that this session is going to be very informative and useful for all the audience who are joining us. Because I think health or fitness ऐसी चीज है that, nobody can ever stop talking about it, even though it seems so difficult.
It is something which is the most difficult, and it is a part of life, and that's the best thing about Get Set Go, that you all make it a lifestyle. It's not about
Correct.
अभी तो हो गया अब क्या.
Correct. I know. That's great. So I think that's exactly what we're going to speak. We're going to, like the session says, uncomplicate fitness. So we're going to try as much as possible to uncomplicate it.
So I've already warned them that in one session we cannot uncomplicate fitness because the
Yeah.
subject is vast as the universe. So we may have many more live sessions. But before we start, tell us all about what is Get Set Go Fitness about. Like, क्या है ये?
So honestly speaking, Get Set Go Fitness, when we actually started the company, it started from, I think every entrepreneurship journey starts with a need and the comfort. I think when we try to match both these things together, like, for the end user, कि उनकी ज़रूरत क्या है और उसको आसान कैसे बना सकते हैं. So that's exactly what we tried doing with Get Set Go. And all of us as co-founders, including me and my other three founders, we were all fitness enthusiasts. And whenever we thought of going on a fitness journey, we all thought it's so difficult because हमको बचपन से या at least since the time we have our brains and we start thinking, we know that हमेशा सा बोला जाता है कि dieting is difficult, fitness के लिए 2 घंटे देने पड़ेंगे, and it kept on increasing. The aura behind dieting and exercising was so dreadful for the end user that nobody ever thought कि ये आसानी से कर सकते हैं. That's when we started Get Set Go, because if we know that the end user wants to get fit, then they want to get fit in a comfortable way so that they don't feel like they're giving up a lot in their day-to-day life. And that's where we struck the chord, and that's where we know that we're doing exactly what the end user wants and giving them sustainable results for probably for a lifetime if they really understand everything that we teach them.
So this is all about online coaching work. It isn't personalized, and online also contradictory. I mean, this itself is like something new. And though this is a need of the hour today, but did you all always think that you want to do an online coaching? Like, how was the whole like you said, you all were enthusiasts and all started, but online coaching work, not personalized. How did this
Correct.
work for you all?
So, honestly speaking, our mission is to actually reach millions and millions of people. And I think the only way to reach that is using the help of technology. That's when technology came in handy. But we also understood that it's not just about technology, because, whenever you think about fitness, it's not just about tracking calories. It's not about just exercising. It's not just about, making sure that you have your step count. That is a new fad that we have nowadays, isn't it? So it's just not about that. It's actually about sustaining it for a longer duration. And also, the only way a person gets motivated is when they have a one-on-one help, right? Whenever we go for a consultation or whenever we get help, the reason we are more convinced is because we can see each other. Even now, when we're talking to each other, it is more personalized than when we speak on the phone, right? So that's when we thought that, a human touch and technology together need to find the right balance to give what we're trying to give. So that's the reason on Get Set Go Fitness we have internationally certified online coaches who on a one-on-one basis actually help clients to personalize their lifestyle according to their goals. So they get that personal intervention. At the same time, the coaches are able to cater to even 80, 100 clients at a time with the help of technology. That's where the whole personalized and technology come in hand in hand.
Being a CEO, like at least in our field, it is really important because the looks are important. So the fitness also has an added thing. But being a CEO of a fitness thing is
My
what
God.
do.
Yes, definitely it does. When I started as a CEO, even though I never, grew up to be an entrepreneur, because I think that is something that happens on its own. I've been a photographer, I've been an animator, I've been into IT, I've been through so many professional ups and downs, and I would call all of that together has made me a good, successful CEO today. I also came with that, what do you say, fear in my mind that, okay, I'm actually taking this up, but that means I have to actually stay fit all the time. But that's again where the sustainable fitness came into hands, because it's so simple to do, because we know the tricks behind doing it. It does not seem like it's a lot of hard work. आई थिंक सबको वही लगता है कि बहुत मेहनत करनी है, बट एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग टू बी फिट इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. सो our basic funda for Get Set Go Fitness is that whenever you come on board with us as a client, we actually just tweak maybe 20% of your regular routine. So at the end, you're still following your everyday lifestyle. It's just according to your goals. When you start seeing results, that's when the progress starts to happen, but you're not changing everything.
That's so true because like when I wanted to reduce my inches and weight, half the time we keep delaying the process just with the thought that there's so much already going on. I really can't dedicate so much time, and oh my god, my lifestyle change ho jayegi. I don't want to compromise on this and that. It's only when you realize that it is not that difficult, and that
Correct.
is you all are doing that, making it a lifestyle, and
Yeah.
and
So I think, Shweta, even you have gone through a transformation, isn't it? So can you tell me how your experience was?
well, like you said, the beginning part was like I wasn't sure because obviously when you start with 80 kgs, the half the time you're just fearful that I won't be able to do it, and you don't want to go ahead with the whole process of changing your lifestyle because you're used to certain habits, you're used
Correct.
to certain food addictions, and you don't want to let go. And I am a foodie, and नहीं होगा. And then I realized that it is not difficult. Like once you decide and once you're clear, you find a way out, you find how it is, and then it just becomes your lifestyle. So like you said, I totally reinforce everything that you said is exactly what I did, and that's how I'm
Nice. That's why you're so hot and fab.
like.
So I think you can be a best. I think you can be a best testimonial for people to know that having a sustainable lifestyle can make you look like this.
Thank you for the compliments and the kind words. On this note, I would like to know if I say uncomplicate fitness, simplifying fitness, and sustainable fitness, what is it for you?
I think something that you can do on an everyday basis, because if it's not something that you can follow for life, it's not something that you can do. For example, many times जब भी लोग सोचते हैं कि they want to go on a weight loss journey or a fat loss journey, the first thing that they think of is going on some fat diet, start cutting down on food, and they do random things that they've heard on internet and people and I don't know friends, blah blah blah, blah. So they think about so many things to do, and they do it for maybe 10 days, a month or 2 months, and then it stops. That's because it's not sustainable. So sustainability is, for example, I'm having a piece of pizza right now.
Health, and then I see that pizza, like, isn't that unhealthy?
No, it's not. Because, for example, if you can just break down a slice of pizza, what is this? This is wheat, this is some veggies, this is chicken, this is cheese, and it's probably baked, right? And it has probably olive oil and some tomato ketchup. If you individually see these parameters, will you ever call any of these unhealthy? Will you ever say wheat is unhealthy? No. You will never say chicken is unhealthy? No. You will never say, what else did we speak of? Yeah, so none of these parameters that are constituting a slice of pizza is unhealthy. So why together it becomes unhealthy? It's not, right? So for example, if I ever have to have a slice of pizza in my diet, we do that because that is what our lifestyle wants us to do. So if I've had a hectic week and I want to unwind, I think the best way that we can unwind is through food, right? I think the most comfortable thing for us is if we're depressed, we want to eat. If we're happy, we want to eat. Anything happens in our life, the food is our immediate go-to.
It's so comfort zone for every emotion, like not just sad, even in happiness, you want to celebrate with food.
Exactly. So that's the reason. So, then why give up on it? The only thing that we change and, what we defer in Get Set Go is that we make you understand what a pizza is, right? So, for example, if I have this big, thing in front of me and I'm having a slice of that pizza, this probably might be 200, 250 calories. But if I decide to eat the entire pizza by myself, that's when the calories go high, right? That's when you're eating more than what you require. That's when the pizza becomes unhealthy. So it's not the pizza that's unhealthy. It's if you're eating more than what you require is when it becomes unhealthy. Because one slice of pizza is very calorie dense. Because ये अगर मैं भी खाती हूँ, मेरा पेट तुरंत भर जाएगा, तुरंत नहीं भरेगा. I would want to eat more, right? Because it's not filling. So I will eat one, I'll eat two, I'll eat three. So that's when my calorie intake goes up, and that's when it becomes unhealthy. So that's actually the philosophy of Get Set Go Fitness.
Wow. Something, and now I'm all tempted to have the pizza. And next time I'm gonna be like, okay, one two slices not unhealthy though.
True.
But since we're talking about myths and how we broke the myth of a pizza, that how it is healthy, but immediately it becomes unhealthy because of the portion size and all of that. So there's also this thing that when you say, oh, I want to be fit, I want to eat healthy, people immediately go like off carbs, cut down on sugar, ye mat khao, rice mat khao, ye mat khao. So tell us about that like how immediately it's like carbs are unhealthy, though like you said, it's the portion size that is unhealthy, not
correct.
So what is it that you hear often that oh, I don't want to go off carbs, I don't want to go sugar? Tell us something about that.
Right. So I think the first step for anybody who's planning to go on a diet or planning for any kind of fitness journey is to have a little basic understanding about nutrition, basic understanding about exercise. And a basic understanding about nutrition is understanding calories, right? How do we actually get calories? How are calories divided into what kind of types? For example, we get calories from protein, carbs, fats. So, how does these macronutrients, what they're called, work together when it comes to fitness? So whenever you want to go on a fat loss journey, what do we generally have to do? We have to start eating less than our maintenance calories. Whenever we want to gain, we eat more than our maintenance calories. And what are maintenance calories? Maintenance calories is amount of food that you eat every day, which will help you maintain your current weight. So if I am 55 kgs, if I'm eating 2,500 calories, then 2,500 is my maintenance calories. Now, if I want to lose weight from 55, I want to go down to whatever number, then I definitely have to eat less than 2,500, right? And if I want to gain, then I have to eat more than 2,500. So when it comes to carbs, when it comes to protein, when it comes to fats, it's not these individual parameters that people, you know, perceive as good and bad. So carbs के लिए पता नहीं उन carbs का नाम इतना क्यों खराब है.
बहुत
So you know,
the first thing people are like, हाँ खाओ. अरे, but it is not like खाओ, like, you know, cows, but it's not unhealthy.
exactly. So and that too, again, because we being Indians, our whole food group in our plate is like full of fats and carbs. And when you think of giving up carbs, then it that immediately makes it not sustainable, right? Because घर पे अगर आप चावल, दाल, रोटी ये सब नहीं खाओगे तो तुम क्या खाओगे? Because that is what we generally cook. So again, carbs are not unhealthy. What is unhealthy is if you're eating more than what you require. So for example, like I said, the example, 2,500 calories is what I need to lose weight. And if I'm eating 3,000 calories, and if I keep eating 3,000 calories consistently for a long period of time, I'm going to gain weight. And that additional 500 calories that I'm eating, it can be anything. It can be protein, it can be carbs, it can be fats, anything. Anything that you eat excess is going to not give you results. So it's not just the carbs, it's eating in portions, it's understanding how much your body requires. And if you go off balance there, that's when all the problem starts to happen.
Wow, the math did go a little above my head, but and I've understood, and I am sure they can contact you and, you know, like Get Set Go Fitness to understand more in detail, because I'm gonna do that after this chat. Okay, I felt like Tare Zameen. I got the point, but I need to.
So I think I really want to, like, I want to address this point, because that is again another thing that happens in people, is that people feel very fearful when we start thinking about यार calories count करनी पड़ेंगी, और मैं कितना calories खाऊं, मैं protein कैसे measure करूं, carbs कैसे measure करूं. But that's where Get Set Go comes in place, because whenever we start our clients with their fitness journey, we do not actually you know, make them do everything at once, you know, otherwise people will freak out. I mean, that's a human nature. I mean, if we told to do 10,000 things at a time, we'll be like, nahi, main aise nahi hoga, bas karo. So so the point is that when we start off with our clients, we do not expect them to understand any of this. What we do is we put them on a personalized plan after understanding their lifestyle. We see how their eating pattern is, you know, what is their work schedule, how much time can they invest in activities, how much is their stress level, कितनी नींद होती है. ये सारे parameters समझने के बाद, we actually design a plan for them, and it is given to our clients. But again, they just have to do at the start is to follow it. They're not expected to understand all these things at all. Gradually, once you start seeing results, when the routine is set, you know, wo momentum aa jata hai, and you're like, yay, I'm seeing results and it's working, and you know, people start complimenting you. You are in that good high vibe energy, you're seeing results. That's when the coach actually starts to explain things in a basic understanding way for practical application. So the information is not given in a theory format, but information is given like a client says that, okay, मैं weekend को party में जा रहा हूँ, और मुझे you know, probably I might have to drink with my friends. Now that is something that you would do with your friends, and the coach is not going to be like, तुम diet पे तो तुम नहीं पी सकते. So we would actually tell them, okay, if you have to, this is how you manage your calories. Then, you know, this is how much you eat. This is how you go out and you adjust your calories so that you can fit these two maybe glasses of beers, right? And that's when these small information, when you get consistently, you don't even know that you're learning. But by end of the program, you are like fully trained, capable of taking care of your lifestyle, don't need help of a coach. And that's where the magic starts to happen.
You know, like you said, that, you know, the magic happens. Exercising is a myth again, that, you know, oh my God, exercising is too much. And how do you take time out of your busy schedule? So what tip would you give somebody who thinks like this?
I think exercising, people look at it as an option. You know, it's still a choice. And for me, I think if you're a human being, exercising is not a choice, it's a need. For example, अगर हम खाना खाते हैं, हम सोते हैं, हम काम पे जाते हैं, हमारे घर पे किसी की तबीयत खराब होती है, हम उनका ध्यान देते हैं, ये ऑल दीज थिंग्स, अगर इनमें से कोई भी एक चीज है जो हम कभी गिव अप कर सकते हैं, नहीं, यू वुड नेवर बी कि आज मैं 2 दिन के लिए नहीं सोऊंगा, यू कैन नेवर डू दैट, राइट? या अभी आई एम फीलिंग टू टायर्ड टू ईट, लेट मी नॉट ईट फॉर अ वीक, वी विल नेवर डू दैट. Similarly, fitness is something that you have to make it as a part of lifestyle. But again, the misconception is that you have to invest hours and hours into doing it, but you don't need to do that. For example, even if on an everyday basis you give 20 minutes to yourself and you do that consistently, if for 6 months, you will see tremendous improvement in your health and in your fitness by just giving those 20 minutes. Even if you're doing everything else that you're supposed to be doing, but just giving that little priority to your health and fitness is going to take you a long way. So it's exercising is not a choice, but you can choose as to how much time you are able to invest according to your lifestyle. तो अगर दिन में पूरे हफ्ते में you say that नहीं मैं 3 ही दिन exercise कर सकता हूँ, do 3 days, but 3 days consistently. When you start doing it, you yourself will feel that the changes is happening in your body.
So, it's very important to be consistent in no matter what you do, whatever, be it exercise. How important, according to you, consistency is, be it in following your diet or exercising?
Like, can you elaborate as to what you...
For example, like you just mentioned that, if it is 3 weeks, it's the consistency which is the key factor. Or if
Right.
it is again the consistency where you understand that, okay, my body needs this. So for you as a fitness enthusiast, what consistency means when it comes to exercising and eating right?
I think consistency is nothing but you doing something when you can see yourself progressing, doing something for a prolonged period of time. Okay, so consistency is not just about doing it for 1 week. It's something that you do for a longer period of time. That's where the consistency happens. And the consistency can only be achieved when it is something that you in your brain feel it's easy to do. If for example a person is a night owl, okay, जिनको रात में जगना पसंद है, yeah, me too. I used to be that, but then I decided कि नहीं, I want to see and experience how a morning routine could be. So what I started doing it, if I wake up at 9 o'clock, for example, then I'm not going to expect myself to start waking up at 5 o'clock, because it's impossible for me to achieve it. What I would do is at 9 o'clock is when I wake up. Let me see if I can wake up at 8:30 or 8. So that seems doable in my mind. And when I start doing that consistently, that is where the consistency happens. Right? But if I start expecting myself to do something at 5 o'clock, then I'll do it for a first day and I'll give up. And then I'm going to feel that I'm inconsistent. But the goals that I set for myself are something that was inconsistent for me to follow. So consistency has to be something that is easy for you to follow for a long period of time, so that you are making progress in whatever goal you have in life.
So what kind of plans you all have as the Get Set Go Fitness group, and how does one enroll for this?
So we on Get Set Go platform have 2 plans that are mainly what we started. One is a regular 12 weeks program that we have, where when I say 12 weeks, it's a duration of the program that the clients enroll with us. So the program starts just like I told you, with understanding lifestyle, and then there are different milestones that the coaches set for our clients so that they know that they're progressing. And that's how the 12 weeks program works. But because during this lockdown, everything changed, right? I think everybody's life stopped. All the businesses had to find new ways of doing business. And what we realized is, because this pandemic was related to health, it was related to something to do with immunity, we decided that just because people are home, that does not mean they cannot achieve their fitness goals. Just because gyms are closed, that does not mean that you cannot do what you want to do. So that's when we actually introduced this program called as Fit at Home, which the name itself says that you can be fit at home. And it actually includes personalized coaching, includes personalized workouts, diets. It includes progress tracking as well. For example, whenever you go on a fitness journey, unless you know how well you're doing or you're tracking your progress, you will never be able to make changes. That's where the coach actually gets in place. They actually ensure that the clients are making progress. If the clients are not making progress, that's when again the coach decides what kind of strategies are needed, what else can be done so that the client starts to achieve results. Because kabhi bhi hum diet वगैरह follow करते, there comes a point when you stop making progress.
Yeah.
Because your body kind of adapts to everything that you're doing. So there has to be that scientific know-how as to what is it that we can do next to break this. And that's where the expertise of our coaches come in handy, because all the coaches that we have on our platform are evidence based. When I say evidence based, it means that all the knowledge, everything that they're giving to our clients, applying on their diet plans or exercise plans, are all thoroughly taught to them before they get onboarded as coaches. And they are all well versed with all the recent researchers that are there in this industry. So so again, so the first point is that you get hands-on training from experts. You get progress tracking. You do not have to worry about कि मैं next क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ, because the headache is to the coach. मैं सिर्फ मेरा काम है बस coach जो बोलेगा मुझे follow करना है. Progress नहीं हो रहा है तो the coach will actually do whatever is needed. So the Fit at Home program is a 1-month program, and the 12 weeks program that we have is a duration of almost 3 months.
There is also a community on FB, Get Set Go Fitness. So what happens on that community?
So I think you tell me what according to you is community.
Community is like-minded people coming together and motivating each other, according to me. So Pal, मेरे ही जवाब दिल रहा है.
So that's exactly what our community, the Get Set Go Fitness community, is all about. We actually started the community from zero when we started. It was just us founders as part of it, and friends and family. But what we realized is when we have a community, it kind of becomes a close-knit family, where you're posting pictures of transformation, you're posting information. It's not just about our friends and family appreciating, but it's also about getting acceptance on everybody around you who are also on a similar journey like you are. So agar mujhe kisi din demotivate lag raha, and I actually put up a post and I have 10 other people actually telling me they've been through the same thing, and they're telling each other as to how they coped up with that particular issue, it again brings you that confidence that, oh, I can also get through this. So that is one aspect of fitness. And another aspect is community is about having fun. So, we will have lots of challenges. We'll have different games that go on. We have different discussions. एक दूसरे की टांग खिंचाई होती है. It's just so much fun to have everybody together and, have fun while you're on a fitness journey.
Wow. So if somebody has, for now, not joined your coaching program and plans to join, or has had a consultation with you, can they still be a part of the community group on FB?
Yes, definitely. The community is free of cost to everybody. So everybody, even who is watching here right now, can join our Facebook community. It's called Get Set Go Fitness. Just look for it on Facebook. And you just have to answer a few basic questions so that we know that you're genuine, because we have a lot of crappy stuff happening on social media nowadays. But yes, apart from that, it's free. It's free for everyone who is interested in fitness, who's interested in learning, who's interested in transforming. There have also been times that probably, I would say that we've transformed almost 20,000 people so far in last 3 years, which is a huge number. But out of which, again, a major chunk is people who have transformed themselves using the information and knowledge that we share with them. So they've not even gone through, a paid service with us. They've just used everything that we teach. They've applied it to their day-to-day life and they've transformed. And, that is what makes me more excited. कि, जब कोई खुद से भी transform हो रहा है with the information, that is where I think we have achieved something.
True. That is also a big achievement, because at the end of the day, you are benefiting the people and you are achieving the results by spreading the knowledge about fitness and, being healthy. So tell me, is being healthy and fit the same for you?
I think everybody gets confused with that, and because लोग randomly ऐसे ही terms ये use करते हैं health and fitness. But honestly speaking, it's just a simple differentiation between the two. Healthy and fitness is not the same. So if we talk about being healthy, being healthy means is about not having any diseases, pathologies. When we go to a doctor के पास से जब reports आती है कि आपका ये normal है, normal है, normal है, normal है. So that is where you would say that you're healthy. So that your body internally does not have any deficiencies, any issues, any diseases. But when it comes to fitness, fitness is performance based, right? It is about how fit are you. So does that mean a healthy person will be fit? Not necessary. But a fit person will have more probabilities of being healthy because they're taking care of their performance as a human being. For example, when we have to compare probably just example like a Virat Kohli and Tiger Shroff, you can never compare these two people on the terms of being fit. Virat Kohli has his own level of fitness with regards to what he's doing. Tiger Shroff, being an actor, whatever he has to do, stunts, ये सब, उसके हिसाब से he's built his own body. But definitely both these people will be healthy, but you cannot compare their fitness. So fitness is performance based. So a marathoner compared to a sprinter, the fitness is going to be completely different.
So at Get Set Go, there are some people who might be having some medical issues. And then there are some people who also tend to have different things. Like you said, a sportsman, nutrition and lifestyle is different. An actor. So is there different programs for different people and handling their issues accordingly?
Yeah, definitely. So what we're trying to do now is to actually have 3 programs that we're coming up with. These 3 programs are going to be specially, one is going to be related to lifestyle for a common man who is just wanting to be better at their everyday life. Second is going to be for people, who actually have any kind of lifestyle disorders like, thyroid, PCOS, diabetes, cholesterol, hypertension. And all these issues are related to lifestyle, but these are something that they've already got in them, which needs to be corrected. So definitely these people need a different care and different way of coaching them, because we need to go in depth of understanding the reports, understanding the parameters that are going haywire, which is making them have these lifestyle disorders. So yes, definitely these programs are more in-depth planned according to a person's health. Again, that's where the health and fitness differentiation happens. And then comes the performance athlete. So a person who is a sportsman, or a person who is actually wanting to do a shoot, for example, or prepping for a particular TV show, anything. Because again, we have seen so many actors going from crazy transformations, mota pe se ekdam, 6-pack abs. So, probably they start with changing their lifestyle, but towards the end, they actually have to be on a very, very strict diet to get those precise results that they need for that role. So that's when the performance package comes in handy. But right now, the way we program is whenever a client comes on board, we start with first understanding their fitness goals and their lifestyle. So depending on the information that we get, we actually then, the coach decides as to what kind of way they need to coach them.
Any tips for transformation for Instagrammers?
Oh, why? Oh my God. So I think that the first tip that I would want to give you is to, obviously, I've already told you, join the Facebook community, follow us on Get Set Go Fit. Again, I'm not preaching and I'm not marketing. The only reason I'm saying this is because the way you can transform yourself is when you are mindful and when you have the right knowledge and information. Do not go randomly following random diets from people कि मेरी दोस्त ने ये कर लिया तो मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. That does not work. Every person is different. So you need to understand your own body. And for that, another thing that we've done is, if you are not even interested in doing any paid service, if you just go to getsetgo.fitness, our website, and when you sign in, it will take you through these very minimalistic steps. And at the end, you will get your exact calories you need to eat. You will get your carbs, fats, protein requirements, and you'll also get a sample diet plan. सो वहां पे भी जिंदगी आसान हो जाती है कि मतलब तुमको प्लान नहीं करना है तो वहां एक फ्री डाइट और वर्कआउट प्लान आपको मिल जाता है. एटलीस्ट दैट गिव्स यू अ स्टार्ट. And then when you start following and when you have questions, that's when the community comes in handy. You actually come to our community. You can ask questions. I followed this plan for 2 weeks. What else can I do? How can I actually improve? And then maybe if you want, then you go for a paid service with our coaches.
Wow, this is amazing. You just made our Instagrammers a happy Sunday more happy. So thank you, Shraddha, for this lovely chitter chatter. And there's so much more we want to chit chat with you down the line. Maybe all our Instagrammers can join the FB community, and then we can get back for a second session with you really soon. And thank you for all the tips, for breaking some myths, and for telling us pizza is healthy.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. And
So I really want to thank you for actually giving us this platform to speak about uncomplicating fitness, because I think that is the need of the hour. And I think because you're doing such a great job connecting with such varied audience, and talking about such different topics, and creating awareness, because I think as an influencer and as a person who people look up to, I think we come with a lot of responsibility, right? And we have to be really mindful as to what is it that we're trying to do in this world. And I think you're doing a fab job, and thank you so much for actually giving this this half an hour together to actually talk about fitness. And jitne bhi logon ne ye suna hai, I hope we actually were able to break down few things that you have in your mind, that dieting and exercising is not difficult. It is something that you can do easily only when with the help of little guidance and a little knowledge. And in case if any of you guys have a fitness goal in mind, and you want to actually start a fitness journey, we also offer a free consultation on our website. So you can actually sign up for a free consultation. You will get to speak to a coach directly, who will understand your lifestyle and give you a guideline as to what can you do. So this is a free consultation where you get a starting step. And then when you get started, if you need more help, then you can actually come and join us for a paid service.
so, Instagrammers, what are you waiting for? Come on, get started today and get into a healthy lifestyle with them right now, right away after our life.
Thank you. Thank you for your enthusiasm. I love talking to you.
Chitter chatter.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.